Delhi High Court has very clearly pulled up the MCD and the Delhi police also for not arresting those actually guilty in this case, but instead arresting a passerby. As the court observes, this is the MCD and the stakeholders in this case are busy passing the buck. In the High Court, the authorities there have been clearly pulled up. The MCD has been asked now in the next 2 days to clear up the drains in war footing. Nalini is also with us for more on that. Nalini, you were saying, please continue.
Yes, Nabila. So like I was saying that the Delhi High Court has not only pulled up these authorities, but they've also summoned the MCD commissioner along with the concerned DCP and the concerned investigating officer to appear before the Delhi High Court on Friday at 2:30 p.m. and explain what action has been taken. Along with that, they've also said that they might transfer the investigation to a central agency, the likes of the CBI or the CBC, or they might even get the Lokpal involved to look into the larger issues that are involved regarding the infrastructure administration in Delhi. And they might even order the MHA to revamp the entire administrative infrastructure of Delhi, because there are so many smaller authorities that have been set up that there is an overlap of jurisdiction, because of which no one authority can be held accountable for cases like this, for situations like this. And the High Court has been passing orders after orders, but there has been no compliance of the orders on the ground. And a very strong statement that has come in from the High Court is that because there is more incentive for the MCD officials to not follow the orders, because at the end of the day, it's a systematic failure. All of these unauthorized constructions that are happening in connivance with the authorities, is what the High Court has observed. And because of which there is more incentive for the MCD officials to not take action against them and not follow the court orders. And that's a risk that they are willing to take. So some very strong observations regarding the larger failure of administration in Delhi. The High Court has also slammed the freebie culture in Delhi and asked the administration to look into whether or not they actually want to continue with this freebie culture, or they want to make the authorities responsible. So some very strong remarks, some very strong statements. On Friday, 2:30 p.m. is when we are expecting for the hearing to be conducted further. But no doubt about the fact that the High Court is going to seek direct answers from the MCD as well as the Delhi police, and then decide what needs to be done in the larger interest of the citizens of the national capital.
You know, as we see here, the MCD has only suspended 2 officers, the engineers who are responsible for desilting. But so far, there have been no arrests that are made. Legally, what are the kind of implications that that the MCD will have to face on negligence of this nature when it comes to deaths being reported due to civic apathy? The kind of legal implications that the MCD will ideally have to face if proven guilty that they really looked the other way, despite complaints?
Well, Nabila, this complaint played a significant part of the hearing, where the MCD officials tried to explain to the court how the entire process of the complaint is handled and tried to give a justification, even though they kept saying that there is no justification. But they, at the end of the day, tried to give a justification for why the things were delayed. But at the end of the day, they agreed to the fact that it was a collective failure of all the authorities, and as to whether or not there was any active negligence on part of the MCD, meaning if the MCD officials were aware of the illegal construction and still failed to act upon it, is something that is going to be determined during the course of the investigation, which is why the High Court is asking why no MCD officials have been arrested. But another interesting thing that the MCD Council told the Delhi High Court was that days before this incident happened in Old Rajinder Nagar, the DFS, which is the Delhi Fire Services, had actually given a clearance to this building, the Rao's building. The coaching center was inspected by the DFS and a clearance was given, which goes on to prove the point that the High Court bench was making, that all of this is happening in connivance with the authorities. But at the end of the day, the question is which authority needs to be made responsible, whether it should be the MCD, the DFS, the Delhi government, the central agencies, the central authorities rather. Who needs to be made responsible at the end of the day is the main question that the Delhi High Court is raising. And to resolve that, they've asked for the details of the investigation that has been conducted. They've also asked why only junior level officers are being suspended when the senior level officers in the MCD are not even willing to get out of their air-conditioned rooms. And keeping that in mind, they've asked the senior officials to visit the ground. The entire area of the drains that have been covered needs to be uncovered and needs to be ensured that the drains are flowing, is something that the High Court has said. The High Court also made a very strong observation saying that there is no drainage master plan made by the Delhi administration at all. And today, even if the MCD is asked to make a drainage plan, they will have no idea how to go about it because they don't even know where these drains are situated. So some very serious questions have been raised on the administrative capability of the MCD itself, of the Delhi administration, along with larger questions about whether or not there needs to be a systematic overhaul to ensure that the citizens are not at the suffering end of this. The High Court has stepped in to make sure that answers are received as early as possible. The hearing is slated for Friday. It remains to be seen what the MCD commissioner as well as the DCP now have to tell the court about this incident and why no action has been taken against the MCD officials itself.
Across to the reaction of the lady, the wife of the man who's been arrested. That car that just passed right outside Rao's IAS coaching center while it was flooded, resulting in water being pushed into the basement. He's been arrested. Of course, the court clearly mentioning that this is a way to pass the buck while they haven't yet decided on his bail plea, but a clear indication that this is priority is misplaced. Let's take a quick look at the wife of that man speaking.
वीडियो सबके सामने है, सबने वीडियो देखा हुआ है और यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. ये गाड़ी जा रही है, पानी बोनट के ऊपर तक है और इसकी रेड लाइट्स ऑन है. दोज आर द ब्रेकिंग लाइट्स. तो वो ब्रेक कॉन्स्टेंटली लगाए हुए थे और धीरे निकलने की कोशिश कर रहे थे एंड गाड़ी तेज बिल्कुल नहीं जा रही है. एक सर्टेन स्पीड पे गाड़ी को जाना पड़ेगा इतने पानी से निकलने के लिए. हमें पूरा भरोसा है अपने जुडिशरी पे एंड मेरे हस्बैंड ने कुछ गलत किया नहीं है, तो हम बहुत पॉजिटिव हैं कि वो घर आएंगे.